Okay, we're going to start with your IELTS speaking test. Are you ready to take the test?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you work or are you a student?
I work. I am working as area sales manager, uh, and I work full time.
Okay. Do you like coffee or tea?
I love coffee, uh, especially the cappuccino. I only remember the name cappuccino,
Okay.
and I used to go to a place called Gloria Jeans, which is my favorite coffee place.
Okay. Do you remember when you drank coffee for the first time?
Yes, it was at my cousin house, and they were having a party over there, and one of my cousin just gave me the cup of coffee, which I thought it was tea. At first, I did not realize. Then
Do
I
you offer coffee and tea to visitors when they come to your house?
Yes, definitely. Tea is a local, you can say, drink in our society, and every guest they will get tea when they come to our house.
Okay. Do people prefer to drink hot drinks in winter and cold drinks in summer?
Uh, I believe yes, a hot drink in winter to keep them warm, and the cold drink in summer to keep them cool and calm. So yes, these two are variants, but also they depend on the mood.
Okay. What are the benefits of drinking coffee?
Uh, well, I believe coffee gives you energy, and it calms you, and also a sense of jubilant.
Okay. All right. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic. Okay, you'll now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
Right. I live in Model Town. It covers in trees and lush green garden. It is located in Lahore, and it gives me very refreshing feeling in the morning, especially. Uh, Recently, there are filter plants in my area installed. There are some filter plants which were installed in my area, and a, there is also a park nearby my house. They have a jogging track recently opened for the families and the elderly people, and I also go there for a walk in the evening, and uh, recently a member of parliament has been selected from our area, and I feel very proud that someone is politically active in our area, and uh, he used to be my father's friend also, so that is also a very jubilant feeling. And uh, there are a lot of places in there are a lot of places nearby my house, and especially the Emporium Mall. It it is a mall which have all the facilities that one should enjoy, like playing area for the kids, shopping for the ladies.
Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 3.
Right.
Do you like the area where you are living now?
Yes, I really like my area. Recently, two parks are open, and the swings and slides were installed for the kids. I really love. I really like, and I feel joyful uh, for going out to the park and hanging around there.
Okay, do you think your area has changed in the recent years?
Yes, I believe so, because some land a decade ago, land was vacant, and many houses are now being constructed in my area, and also gardens and other facilities, road development infrastructure is developed, and I believe it also security is improved.
Okay, what sort of changes do you see in the future in your area?
Uh, I I think security and the CCTV cameras, they uh, will be installed in my area because of the shoplift and burglary uh, going around in some other areas. So that will be major concern for our society to look into this.
Okay, do you think your area is better than the past?
Yes, definitely it has improved much, and in the past there is no access through the roads, and the garden was not available. So recently the gardens and parks are opened for the families, and jogging track has been installed, and filter plant is also installed. So it has improved a lot.
All right, it's good. The first thing is you need to talk energetically. Right, very actively and energetically. And second thing, I mean, you were talking lazily and slowly. Slow is okay, but if you are energized, then even this speed is fantastic. And in part one, in one question, you started with a story. Like my friend, there was a party going on and all that. You need to summarize your ideas for part one. Examiners will never allow you to speak more in part one.
Right.
Okay, in part two you spoke well, but still you need to add some energy to your voice, to your body language, to your expressions, to your intonation. So overall it should be energetic, right?
Right, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test.